Can you find the area of this blue shaded square? We are given an isosceles triangle with a base measuring 20 units and a total area of triangle as 160 square units. Inside this triangle, a square is placed such that one of its sides lies along the base of the triangle like this, while the other two corners of the square touch the triangle's slant sides like this. And our goal is to find the area of this blue shaded square. You can pause the video and take a moment to think about it, and when you're ready, you can always come back to verify your answer. Alright, let's solve it together. But before we begin, let's draw a perpendicular line from this top vertex of the triangle down to the base like this. Since this is an isosceles triangle, that means this perpendicular line is also the height of the triangle, right? Let's call this perpendicular length as h units. We know that the area of a triangle is calculated by using the formula 1/2 times the base multiplied by the height, and we are told this triangle has an area of 160 square units and the base of 20 units. So substituting these values into the formula, we get 160 is equal to 1/2 times 20 multiplied by h, or 1/2 times 20 multiplied by h is equal to 160. This 1/2 times 20 is equal to 10. So we get 10 times h equals 160. Now dividing 10 from both sides, h is equal to 16 units. That means this length here is 16 units, right? Since this is an isosceles triangle, that means this perpendicular line also divide the base of triangle into 2 equal half. So this is 10 units, and this is also 10 units, correct? Now let's define this half side of the square as x units. That means this is also x units, and this height of square will be 2x units, and this is also 2x units. Now look carefully. If this is x units, and this is 10 units, then this remaining length will be 10 minus x. Similarly, if this is 2 times x units, and this is 16 units, then this remaining height will be 16 minus 2 times x units, right? Now let's focus on these two small triangles on either side of the square. This angle here is equal to this angle here by the corresponding angles theorem, and this angle is equal to this angle as both are 90 degrees. That means these two triangles are similar by angle-angle similarity. So using similarity triangle ratio and proportion, we have this 10 minus x divided by this 2 times x is equal to this x divided by 16 minus 2 times x. Now by doing cross multiplication, that gives us 2x times x is equal to the quantity 10 minus x times the quantity 16 minus 2 times x. Now let's expand both sides. On the left side, 2 times x multiplied by x gives us 2x squared, and on the right side, 10 times 16 gives us 160. 10 times negative 2x gives us negative 20x. Negative x times 16 gives us negative 16x. And negative x times negative 2x gives us positive 2x squared. So now our full expression becomes 2x squared is equal to 160 minus 20x minus 16x plus 2x squared. Canceling this 2x squared from both sides, we get 0 equals 160 minus 36 times x. And adding 36 times x to both sides, we get 36 times x equal to 160. Now dividing both sides by 36, we get x equals 160 divided by 36, which simplifies to 40 over 9, or approximately 4.45 units. Area of square is calculated by squaring its sides. In our problem, side of this blue shaded square is 2 times x. So to find the area of the square, we square this side length. 2x squared is 4 times x squared. So substituting this value of x as 4.45, we get area of blue shaded square is equal to 4 times 4.45 squared, which comes out to approximately 79.21 square units. And that is our final answer. Pretty amazing, right? Even though we did not know all the side lengths of the triangle, a little geometry and algebra helped us find the exact area of this blue shaded square. But wait, before you go, here's a quick bonus challenge for you. Can you find the area of this same square in terms of a variable a instead of 160 and base as variable x instead of 20 units? Think it through and drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see who can figure it out. If you found this explanation helpful and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more mind-bending math puzzles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.